Hi guys, welcome to this segment called
I Didn't Know.
where we talk about things that
You didn't know.
Do you know that you can actually silence your annoying beep sound on your car?
You know when you get home late at night and you lock your car and you hear that loud beeping sound? Yeah, that one.
There's a way to silence that. So your key has the lock and unlock button. So what you would have to do is hold down these two buttons for about 10 seconds and you're gonna see your lights flash about 3 times and now it's unsilenced. DM us or leave us a comment down below for any other questions that you might have about cars.
See you soon.